This dance is called Blue Jean Baby. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance with 2 tags. Starting on the right foot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Into a coaster step, 1 and 2 count timing steps, back, close, step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right. Now you're going to do a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, 1 and 2 count timing steps again. So it's quarter turn left as you step your left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left forward, making a further quarter turn to the left. Quarter, close, quarter. Do remember on all of these turn steps, make sure you turn your body, don't have those twists in there. So that set of steps once more then, forward rock, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, quarter, close, quarter, your half shuffle. Remember your coaster step is back, close, step. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross the left over the right, point the right to the side. Into a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Jazz box, cross. That set of steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Jazz box with a cross. Let's add those 2 sections together. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside the right, right to the side. Now you're going to do a chassé to the left, but you're going to actually turn yourself half a turn left to start with. So having done that chassé to the right, it literally is half a turn left. As you step that left to the side, that's the first step of your chassé, right beside left, left to the side. So it's a half chassé turn. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight back on that left. Make a quarter turn to the right as you step that right forward, making sure you have completely turned your body. Step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the right into that half turning chassé. 7, 8, right chassé, turn chassé, cross, rock, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Right chassé, turn chassé, cross, rock, turn, step. Now you're into probably the trickiest section. So you're going to step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. kick the left forward, then step back on that left. Into a coaster step, right foot leading, so step the right back, left beside right, right forward. Step forward on the left, scuff the right. So remember, with the scuff, you're going to make that gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. So that little set of steps once more then. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, kick, back, coaster, step, step, scuff. In the dance when we get to that point. So let's put it all the way through from the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Right chassé, turn chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster, step, step, scuff. So that is your dance. What I will do though with this one is I'll just go through the dance with the counts so you can see the timing and exactly where all those and counts are. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can see where all those and counts fit in. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster, step, step, scuff. Forward rock, coaster, step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster, step, step, scuff. Forward rock, coaster, step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross. Right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster, step, step, scuff. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 little tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 3 and 6. Not to confuse you, wall 3 is your 6 o'clock wall, wall 6 is your 3 o'clock wall. So walls 3 and 6. Quite simply, your tag is a right-footed rocking chair. So your first tag, you will actually be facing 9 o'clock when you come to do it. You will have done your scuff. You go straight into a rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and you restart the dance. Forward rock, coaster step. So it's a rocking chair, single count timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's have a go at wall 3, our 6 o'clock wall. to the end of all three, add on the tag and restart so you can see how it fits in. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster step, step, scuff, tag, rocking chair, restart, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of walls 3, it's your 6 o'clock wall. First time you get to 6 o'clock, do your tag facing 9, and then wall 6, which is when you then get back to 3 o'clock wall, you'll add your tag facing 6. So that's your dance, that's your walkthrough, that's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, cross, back, side, cross, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, coaster step, 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 forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster step, step, scuff, forward rock, show tag wall, cross, point, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster step, step, scuff, tag, rocking chair, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, half chassé, cross, rock, turn, step, step, touch, kick, back, coaster step, step, scuff, forward rock, cross point, chassés, step touch, forward rock, your next tag wall, cross point, chassés, step touch, tag, rocking chair, forward rock, cross point, chassés, step touch, forward rock, chassé, step touch, hope you managed that one.